Alright guys, in this video I'll show you best intraday trading strategy, which is personally I use this strategy. So here it's very simple. I'm using stochastic, which is a manual period. You can see the period is 5 3 3, which is manual period, and I'm using a moving average Ola exponential. Here you can see 200 EMA, 150 EMA, 100 EMA, and this is 50 EMA, and this is 20 EMA. And the third indicator is this is you have seen this is dot line over there, and this is called PSR, parabolic SR. So I'm using only 3 indicator, and I'll show you exactly how to trade by using this indicator. And here we have seen personally their winning ratio is 70 to 80%. Personally I use this trading strategy, so I'm gonna share with you. Before I start, make sure click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. When I'm releasing new content, you will get the notification. Once you're done, let's get started. Now you can see I use moving average to find out the trend. Remember how I identify the trend. So in that case, for the intraday, I'm using 2 time frame. One is 5-minute time frame and another is 15-minute time frame. There is 2 time frame. All right. So I'm looking for a trend, either it is uptrend or it is a downtrend. So how I identify this downtrend or uptrend? In that case, in a 2 time frame like 5-minute and 15-minute, all moving average should be arranged sequentially. Means now I can see here in 5-minute chart we have seen this is a 20 moving average, this is a 50 moving average, and this is a 100 moving average, all are exponential, remember, and 150 moving average this is, and this is a 200 moving average, all are exponential. Now you can see all moving averages are arranging sequentially. Means in 5-minute chart price is running in a uptrend. Now let me show you in a 15-minute chart. Now you can see in 15-minute chart they are also running in a uptrend. Why? Because all moving averages are arranging in a sequence. Now you can see this is a 20 in 15-minute chart, 50 moving average here, this is 100 exponential, and this is 150, and this is 200 moving average. So from here we confirm that trend is up. So when trend is up, we are looking for buy only. Now let's just jump to 15-minute chart, how we are entering in this market. Now you can see rule is that when stochastic cross each other, so who people doesn't about the stochastic, how to use stochastic, you just visit to my website already given in the below link. You just go through there and read properly how stochastic works. All right, so here you can see crossover at that time. This is a buy opportunity, this is a past the buy entry. Now when stochastic cross each other, and at that time the parabolic SR PSR should be formed below, or you can say appear below. At that time we will confirm that that is a buy opportunity. Let me show you the example right now. Now you can see here we have seen here parabolic SR are appearing in this area, and at that time similarly stochastic are crossing each other, and at that time we will place our buy order just little more above this candle. So which is the candle? This is the last candle. Have you seen it? When this candle appear, at that time parabolic arc and stochastic are crossing each other, that is a buy opportunity. Now most of the people are thinking here we have seen that was a crossover. All right, let me show you exactly how it should look like that. So similarly, I want to connect here crossover somewhere here. We have seen there was a crossover, but parabolic arc are appearing above. Have you seen it? Parabolic arc are appearing above. They are not confirming buy. So in that case, you can see parabolic arc are appearing here exactly. You can see in this candle. All right, have you seen it? So at that time we have seen they cross each other. They already given a buy signal. We'll place our buy order a little more above that candle, and after that you can see here they trigger our buy order here and price gone up from this area. All right, now question is that most of the people are thinking here parabolic arc are appearing but price drop down. Both are here, they have given a buy signal and parabolic arc are appearing here and in this candle. Now you can see this candle higher point is there, and we will place our buy order little more above, at least 5 to 6 pips above this candle. So when we place our buy order but they didn't trigger here buy and price drop down, and finally we have seen here and they triggered our buy of the order and price gone up from this area. So in that case we need another confirmation. So let me show you here. Now you can see here we have seen most recent higher point and higher point. So in that case we're gonna draw a diagonal trend line by connecting most recent higher point. So now you can see we connected most recent higher point. Have you seen it? This is the higher point and this is the higher point and this is the higher point. And at that time we have seen there was a crossover. Have you seen it? There was a crossover. First we have seen there is a crossover. This is a number one, that is a buy order. Next confirmation we have seen parabolic arc appearing below this candle. This is a second buy confirmation. And the third, at that time we have seen stochastic are crossing each other. This is third confirmation. So we have seen there are 3 buy confirmation. Rest of the area we never seen that confirmation, and this is called high probability entry point. All right, this is the entry point. So after that you can see price gone up from this area. All right, we need at least 3 confirmation. But most of the people are thinking, hey, can I sell here? No, because moving average tell us that trend is running in a uptrend, so that is why we are looking for buy only. All right, have it make sense? So let me show you next example here. Now you can see this is called Tech Mahindra. Let me zoom a little more here. Now I can see here, let me zoom a little more. All right, now in this case you can see here, first we have seen this is a higher point and we connect a higher point here because that was a higher point and higher point. We drawn a diagonal trend line, and now you can see in this area there was a crossover. This is called stochastic crossing each other. And now you can see similarly parabolic are appearing below this candle. Have you seen? And we place our buy order somewhere here. That is our buy opportunity, and after that you can see price gone up. But here we can see we have seen there is also crossover here, but most of the aggressive trader are doing in that case. Now most of the people are thinking, hey, we have seen there is a parabolic are appearing below this candle. Have you seen this candle? But now you can see, let me zoom a little more, then you comes to know properly. Yeah, here you can see. Have you seen it? Now we have seen they are appearing below. All right, and at that time we have seen this is a higher point in this candle, and similarly we have seen stochastic are crossing each other. That means they are giving a buy signal. So once we place our buy order a little more above this candle, and the buy order didn't trigger and price dropped down. And the next we have seen this is a buy opportunity according to the parabolic chart, and there is a bullish candle. We place buy order somewhere here, and at that time we have seen stochastic crossing each other, and finally price gone up from this area, right? So we are not looking for short. Why? Because trend is up. We have seen this is a 20 EMA, this is a 50 EMA, this is 100 EMA, and this is 150 EMA, and this is 200 EMA. Alright, means trend is up. Is it clear? Alright, let me show you another example. So you can see HCL. So in HCL, first we have seen this is a higher point, and I connect this higher point. Have you seen it? Let me zoom a little more, then comes to know. Okay, now I can see I just connected most recent higher point in this area, higher point and a higher point, and finally we have seen breakout in this area. And after that, here you can see there was a sell opportunity, but we are not confirming. So finally here we have seen crossover for the buy, and at that time we have seen that is the candle, and parabolic chart are forming below this candle, and we'll place buy order a little more above, and after that you can see price gone up. But who people are not using parabolic chart, let me show you another example how they will find the fake signal. And in that case, here we can see price just drop down, and we have seen bullish candle, and finally we have seen there was a crossover, and here they are forming a hammer pattern. Who people place buy order, price drop down from this area. Have you seen it? But remember, parabolics are appearing above this candle. That means parabolics are still not confirming that there is a buy opportunity. All right, so that is why this is a fake buy signal given by stochastic and candlestick pattern. So we need at least 3 confirmation. So where is the 3 confirmation? Let me show you here. So finally you can see here parabolic arc are appearing above continuously. Here you can see we have seen this is a parabolic arc are appearing below this candle. Have you seen it? And stochastic already crossed here, but we need another confirmation. What is the another confirmation? At that time we drawn a trend line. All right, so have you seen it? So when parabolic arc are appearing below this candle, but they fail to break this trend line, so we must wait to break this trend line. Finally we have seen there is a breakout. So at that time parabolic arc are appearing below this candle. All right, but stochastic they are not giving any buy signal. So finally in this area we have seen they have given a buy opportunity, and similarly at that time we have seen bull candle are forming and parabolic arc are appearing below this candle, and place your buy order at least 4 to 5 pips above this candle. So what is the higher point? We have seen this is a higher point, and place your buy order a little more above, and you can see that buy are executing here, and finally price gone up. So this is the best intraday trading strategy personally I use, and at least 70 to 80% winning ratio in this case. So I use this strategy, and when I'm getting the opportunity, so I enter for the buy or sell. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.